Installing an intrusion switch with cable. Note: your replacement intrusion switch with cable might be a different color, but the function will still be the same. To install the top intrusion switch with cable, align the intrusion switch cable with the guide pin and hole on the bracket, and then insert the intrusion switch cable into the bracket. Align the intrusion switch with the opening of the bracket and the guide pin, and then slide it toward the guide pin until it stops. Connect the intrusion switch cable to the system board. Secure the intrusion switch with one screw. To install the riser assembly on the node, connect the power cable to backplane 1 and then connect the other cables from the riser assembly to the node. Reinstall the processor air baffle. Note: make sure to adjust the processor air baffle according to the configuration. Align the front of the riser assembly with the edge of the chassis, and then lower the riser assembly into the node. To secure the riser assembly to the node, fasten the 3 captive screws on the top of the riser assembly. Fasten the 3 screws at the sides of the node. Fasten the 2 thumb screws at the front of the riser assembly. Reinstall the PNB air baffle. Reinstall the top cover. Turn the node over so that the bottom side faces up. Use the key to lock the node covers. To install the bottom intrusion switch with cable, align the intrusion switch with the opening of the bracket and the guide pin, and then slide it toward the guide pin until it stops. Secure the intrusion switch with one screw. Connect the intrusion switch cable to the I/O module board. Align the bottom cover with the guiding slots on both sides of the chassis, and then slide it forward until it is firmly seated. Use the key to lock the node covers.